Introducing the 15th Math Heuristics method. The replacement method. A slice of cheesecake costs thrice as much as a slice of chocolate cake. Alina bought 6 slices of chocolate cake and 8 slices of cheesecake with 2/3 of her money. How many more slices of chocolate cake can she buy with her remaining money? The cost of 1 slice of cheesecake equals the cost of 3 slices of chocolate cake. Replace the cheesecakes with chocolate cakes. For every 1 slice of cheesecake, Alina can buy 3 slices of chocolate cakes. Instead of 8 slices of cheesecakes, Alina can buy 24 slices of chocolate cakes. 8 times 3 equals 24. Six slices of chocolate cakes plus 24 slices of chocolate cake equals 30 slices of chocolate cake. Alina can buy 30 slices of chocolate cakes with 2/3 of her money. "30 divided by 2 equals 15. Alina can buy 15 slices of chocolate cake with her remaining money, which is 1/3. Christy can either buy 12 t-shirts or 30 pair of socks with the money in her wallet. If she purchases 4 t-shirts, how many pair of socks can she purchase with the remaining money in her wallet? Instead of 12 t-shirts, she can buy 30 pairs of socks with the money in her wallet. Reduce this ratio to its simplest form. Hence, for every 2 t-shirts, Christy can actually buy 5 pairs of socks with the same amount of money. Cost of 2 t-shirts equals cost of 5 pairs of socks. Replace the t-shirts with socks. The cost of 4 t-shirts equals the cost of 10 pairs of socks. 5 times 2 equals 10. 30 minus 20 equals 10. Christy can purchase 10 pairs of socks with the remaining money in her wallet. A cup costs 3/8 as much as a plate. Zachary bought 10 cups and 12 plates with 1/4 of his money. If he had not purchased any plates, how many cups can he purchase with all his money? Cost of 1 cup to cost of 1 plate is 3/8. For every 3 plates, Zachary can purchase 8 cups. Replace the plates with cups. Instead of 12 plates, Zachary can buy 32 cups with the same amount of money. 8 times 4 equals 32. 10 cups plus 32 cups equals 42 cups. Zachary can purchase 42 cups with 1/4 of his money. (42 times 4 equals 168). Zachary can purchase 168 cups with all his money. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you find this video useful, please help to like and share it. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so.